In San Francisco, every sidewalk is an untapped canvas, waiting to bloom with life and color. A sidewalk garden transforms dull concrete into vibrant habitat. Imagine lavender, sunflowers, and native grasses cooling the block and welcoming pollinators right outside your door. Gardens, scholars say, are the first sign of commitment to a community, said Anne Raver. These green spaces connect neighbors, spark conversations, and make every entrance feel like home. But bureaucracy, design confusion, and tricky permits keep most sidewalks gray. The process is slow, confusing, and discouraging for many San Francisco homeowners. Eden's tech-powered turnkey approach changes everything. Our AI scans your curb, designs your garden, handles permits, and coordinates installation, all while you go about your day. As autonomous vehicles free up city space, sidewalk gardens can reclaim San Francisco's streets for nature, people, and community. Let's reimagine San Francisco, one sidewalk at a time. Start your transformation with Eden today.